Want to unpin a chat on Viber Android that you no longer need at the top? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to unpin a chat, you will need to open the Viber application on your Android phone and go to your main chat list. You must then locate the specific conversation that is currently pinned to the very top of your screen. Now, you must long press, and hold directly on the pinned chat until a menu appears on the screen. From the menu options that pop up, you will simply need to select the Unpin or Unpin this chat option. The chat will then immediately move from the top pinned section back into its chronological place within your regular chat list. It will no longer be fixed at the top, allowing you to reorganize your Viber conversations based on recent activity. And that's how you can unpin a chat on Viber for Android, a simple way to reorganize your chat list and remove conversations from the top. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.